there, and welcome to Bella's Credit Corner. My name is Bella, and here on my YouTube channel, we focus on credit, finances, and money management. So in today's video, I want to talk to you guys more about the checking account that is currently offered by T-Mobile. I think that people are really just sleeping on this account, even though it really has some really great perks and benefits. Now, before I jump into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when my future videos are posted on YouTube. So the T-Mobile Money account is the checking account that is currently offered by T-Mobile. This account is FDIC insured on balances up to $250,000. Now, you can qualify for 4% interest if you meet the following requirements. So you, one, must be a T-Mobile customer, and two, you must make monthly deposits of at least $200. Now, the 4% interest will be on the first $3,000 in your account. Any balances above that will only earn 1%. Now, it's not quite clear if this 4% benefit is available to Sprint customers at the time I am recording this video. Now, if you are not a T-Mobile customer, but you do want to open this account, you would just earn 1% interest on your entire balance in the account, regardless of how much is in there. Now, in order to open the account, you must be 18 years old. You must have a social security number. You must also have a government or state issued ID. You must also have a street address here in the United States or in Puerto Rico. And at this time, you are unable to open this account with someone else. So you can't have a joint account holder. So let's jump right into the perks and benefits of this account. So one great benefit is that this account does not charge any overdraft fees, which is pretty awesome because most banks will charge you anywhere from $30 to $40 in overdraft fees. And in fact, there is a benefit called Got Your Back, which is essentially a line of credit of up to $50. So if you have a transaction and you don't quite have enough money in your account, T-Mobile will cover this transaction up to $50. Now, once your account goes negative, you will have up to 30 days from when that transaction posts to bring your account up to date. If you do keep your account negative past the 30-day mark, they will actually revoke this benefit and they may potentially close your account. So some of the other great features of this account are, one, they do not charge any maintenance fees. They also do not require a minimum balance. They also do not charge any ATM fees. Now, if you do use an out-of-network ATM, T-Mobile won't charge you for that transaction, but the actual ATM owner may in fact charge you. So it is in your best interest to find an in-network ATM so you can avoid those ridiculous ATM fees. Now, once you are ready to open your account, you do have two options to do so. You can, one, download the T-Mobile Money app to your phone or tablet and walk through the registration process that way. Or you can actually go onto their website and sign up there. Now, I will put a link to the website in the comment section below. Now, when it comes to actually funding or adding money to your account, you have a number of options to do this. Now, you can fund your account by setting up direct deposit through your employer, or if you receive any kind of benefits like Social Security or pension. Now, you can also use the T-Mobile Money app to deposit a money order, check, or cashier's check. Now, you can only deposit up to $3,000 using the app. If you do have a check, money order, or cashier's check that's above $3,000, you will in fact have to mail that into T-Mobile. So you can go into your account and print or download and print an actual deposit slip. You would fill that out, sign the check, and then you can mail that into them. So the other options to fund your account are, you can link your current checking or savings account. And once you do that, you would just transfer the money by either going into the app or by logging into your account online. And last but not least, you can actually fund your account with cash, but you will need to take your cash and your debit card and go to a vendor like Walmart, CVS, or Walgreens so you can actually do this. Now, there is going to be a fee to do this, up to $5 to process the transaction. Now, each vendor will have different limitations on how much money you can deposit at one time or in one transaction. Some, the limit is up to $500. Others, you can do up to $1,000. So if you want to learn more about this, I will put that in the description box below. So as you can see, this account definitely has a lot of benefits. Now, if you are a T-Mobile customer, this can be a great account to keep your emergency fund, right? Because that 4% interest is a lot more than your traditional savings account. And it actually is paying a lot more than any high yield savings account currently on the market. Now, if you are a T-Mobile customer and you currently have this account, please let me know how you like, or maybe you don't like this account. So feel free to drop that in the comment section below. And as always, guys, I really appreciate you stopping by and watching today's video. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.